Okay guys, part B. So given that Q equals 11, so instantly plug in 11 here and you should get the value of P to be 2. Okay, so P is 2, Q is 11. And that the mass of A is 2 kg, so M is 2 of the particle A. And that F1 and F2 are the only forces acting on A. Find the magnitude of acceleration A. Okay, this is easy. This is a standard F equals ma, because these are the only things relevant in this question. There's no velocity, there's no distance, nothing. F equals ma purely. So in order to work this out, to find the magnitude of acceleration, all you need to do is essentially find the magnitude of F. When you find the magnitude F, divide it by m, and then you got A. Now, since we got the values of P and the values of Q, we can use the original part A equation, which was up here, plug in value 2 and 11, and then the force, well, the resultant force will reduce to 4i plus 8j. So that's what we have now. Now this is easy. You just have to find the magnitude of f. So finding the magnitude, well, just use the usual method. It will just be 4 squared plus 8 squared and then square root. And this will give us root 80. Now just substitute back into the equation. So we can say now, rearranging this and making A the subject, we can say that the magnitude of A, which you can write like this if you like, is the magnitude of F over M. So essentially just root 80 over 2. And that's it guys, you're literally done.